Yes, these are beneficiaries of free senior high school.
Welcome to tonight's session of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, Nana Akufo-Addo, nkurɔfoɔ bebree ka sɛ ɔnyɛ. But nokorɛ ne sɛ, Nana Akufo-Addo bɛyɛɛyɛ over the past 8 years, ɔne ne vice president Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na mbɛyɛɛ no ansa na yɛbɛnya ɔmampanin bi a ɔbɛbɛyɛ saa adeɛ no biom no ɛbɛkyɛ paa na mmerɛ bi baeɛ mmerɛ a Yesu Kristo anaasɛ Israelfoɔ wonim sɛ first na ɔmo ni ahemfo na ɛyɛ nyamedifoɔ ɛna ɛhyɛ ɔmo so nti ɛfrɛ ɔmo judges. It's called Bible ma who said there are several judges. Now judges no so were na prophets were and he said bibia and they go and consult God and indirectly no. Na Nyankopon na oye na ye omu president. But I'm remember by they started asking say give us, we also want a king just like the way other nations have a king. Na asem no Samuel ayanyamedi for pa and Samuel ko Nyankopon ko bompaye. And I now assume, say, your people are saying, say, your people have rejected me. Yakupon can say, there be some more. They have not rejected you. It is me, God, that they have rejected. Now, if you hearing this story, you will ask yourself, now, who wouldn't want God to be king over them? Because if you have God who is the king supreme over you, they say, because everything you want, all your needs, God can see it and will solve it for you. But the people were demanding for a human being. And in fact, the first king that God gave to them, Saul floppy. Saul floppy, and even before Saul, his tenure will come to an end. Now God has chosen David to come and take after because Saul flopped big time. Now, that is the same thing that has happened in Ghana. In the sense, say, who say, Mampeni bebre by and Mukoyensu. Now, we've seen the likes of J.J. Rawlings, we've seen the likes of John Ajekum Kufuor, we've seen the likes of Professor Ivas Atamels, we've seen the likes of John Dramani Mahama. Now, even from Kwame Nkrumah till now, none of these presidents has been able to spend 3 billion Ghana cedis on education, just senior high school education. And your entire educational sector budget to debut, just senior high school budget on 3 billion Ghana cedis. Now that 3 billion Ghana cedis now, every year from 2017, 18, 19, 20, even after Corona, or kept on consistently spending that much. Now, bebree nya access our senior high school. If not for free senior high school, they will have never even come close to a senior high school. And I said SHS 1 to even talk of completing. And now Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, he made sure say, aside paying all these things, no, even wasi registration krano or tiama to the extent say or taught past questions or say or multimission cultural exams. Omampeni piani ho why yes adie ama the people of Ghana. Enye nukwa this same man
Years back, when Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was overthrown, a whole lot of Ghanaians were jubilating. But today, as we are speaking, there's no better structure in Ghana than what Dr. Kwame Nkrumah has done. Ghanaians today, they continue to mention his name. Meanwhile, when he was overthrown, these same Ghanaians were jubilating. A similar thing just happened in Ghana. Let's watch this video. Yes, these are beneficiaries of free senior high school. And they are jubilating because the MPP government has lost. Nana Addo government has lost power. The same way Nkrumah was surprised because Nkrumah felt Ghanaians should have been sad for being overthrown, but Ghanaians were happy. When he asked, they told him that the people needed milk, but you were providing them with factories and roofs. And the same thing happens to Nanado's government. The people only needed kenke. They just want to go and buy kenke 2 cedis. They don't care about your roofs. They don't care about your one district, one factory. They don't care about your agenda 111. All they needed was that kenke should be 2 cedis. This free senior high school and whatever, you could have even employed people to be doing kenke for Ghanaians just for 2 cedis. That is all. They just need kenke. Just like Ghanaians by then only needed milk. And the milk was the food. But they were happy Kwame Nkrumah was overthrown, right? Today, free senior high school beneficiaries and a whole lot of people who are benefiting from this party are jubilating because NPP has lost. What we are happy is that no one can mention any significant project without mentioning Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's name. History will repeat itself. After a year, after 2 years, there's no any significant thing that they'll mention in Ghana without mentioning Nanado's name. He has really worked. Nanado and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They have worked, but they didn't do what Ghanaians wanted. Ghanaians only wanted to be able to buy kenke 2 cedis. Posterity.
No. You wonder where he got all these resources from. Now, maybe I won't say. Now, 3 billion Ghana cedis Nana Akufo-Addo now use year after year to pay for school fees and feed our children in senior high schools now. Now, John Dramani Mahama's time from 2013 to 2016, 17, thereabout. Now, this has Kaya Day. Not the other. Ultimate case of retire salaries. And say, under John Mahama, a lot of people working in the public sector, government was owing them. Ultimate case of the projects. As I say, most of the projects that John Mahama has done, they were paid for by loans, and these loans, now Akufo-Addo 10 now Mama Chona Akufo-Addo tia. That's our 3 billion plus Akufo-Addo has been finding every year. Who name John Mahama the year? And you listening, it will just be proper. Say, you will see all this that Akufo-Addo has done. Now you vote for MPP. But strangely, it went the other way. Now, over various sectors, ebia oil sector. What I mean say, places like Bust and I said they were collapsed, they were on their knees before Akufo-Addo and Bawumia came to power. And as we are talking, Bust is making profit year after year. Tor is almost revived. And then we have car assembly plants in Ghana. There are cars now. Yet me cars actually now Ghana made in Ghana cars, assembled in Ghana cars. And then me no kasa. You were a Kumfi juice now. Who call US? A woman supermarkets mo. Who call UK? A woman supermarkets mo. Even France, a Kumfi juice was a supermarket mo. Akufo-Addo aye we nyina. He revived a Kumfi factory, he revived Commander Sugar Factory, and more than 100 factories all across. And then omuye tin tomatoes for Ghana, and their shoes, omuye shoes for Ghana. Work at 2020 nose mask fabrication is now omuye work right here in Ghana. When you know Akufo-Addo leadership, Akufo-Addo vision. Aside that, ultimately say our road sector interchanges. Aban bia ni ho a abetena so waye interchanges Akufo-Addo government. Aban bia ni ho. From Kwame Nkrumah to everybody. Aban bia mba interchanges in Ghana. No, they've made more than Akufo-Addo. Roads constructed. I thought they be ultimately construction of road be or area ma. Ultimately one that say na Kwame Nkrumah na Akufo-Addo ye then. I remember 2 years ago or so I went to New Ebrim. The road done by Akufo-Addo. Uba Volta region, Sokode to Dua carriage done by Akufo-Addo. Uko Accra, Atomic Junction to Hacho, Dua carriage done by Akufo-Addo. Current construction, Utemeko Edukrum to Somanya, that road done by Akufo-Addo. A lot of roads. The records when you need. Now you got to Aba. na ba eko 2 years no na MPP lose ya na nkrofo jubilate abaya betina so a allowances of nurses and teachers were restored. Cocoa bag na 475 na yeton under Mahama. And then yeton cocoa 3,100. 3,100 and I thought under Kufado. Now ban will lose the election na I can was for soon. No for soon pana say a semper na to as a country. Say a group of people decide not to go and vote. And you see young people jubilating. People are now more jubilating. Now some of them now me a graduate. Graduate after I'm going national service. After I will go national service. Now I say ubisa. Because ubisa ya kabe say ebra na John Mahama now a president. Now on minister of employment. Obi a Juma minister of employment. And now onuna a so far ideas na mofa create jobs man krofoko yeno. Or see, if you are a youth, you should go you should go and cut grass. Go and cut grass and come and put it at the roadside you can sell. And I say if you are a youth, whenever you are going somewhere, pick one stone, come and put it down. By the time it is 1 year, you had plenty stones that you can crack and sell. And those are the people who are coming back. They are coming back. And you as a youth, after now university, you are jubilating. A brass man will be free by mono. Now crofo amuko peacekeeping. Now bind your muka almost 13 million US dollars. Yana Akufo-Addo aban na betuae. Enti Akufo-Addo dem ye sure pa say dabi beba no. Yan kaina enso a. Yan kaina asre. We will remember him and cry. Because posterity will indeed be kind to Akufo-Addo. E wo mu say na ba mu azon 100% efficient, right? Obi a ne ho a met me aka say nipa bia funso woni ho. Right? Anybody can make mistakes. But for what Akufo-Addo came to get, what Akufo-Addo came to meet, and what he has been able to do, at every part of this nation, baby ambulance, drip machines, say there's drone delivery of medication, drone delivery of medication, you will see one thing or the other. SHS Akufo-Addo abon modern. Agenda 111 hospitals across 88 plus districts. Now, upper belt in the middle, but now only psychiatric hospital. Akufo-Addo was building a psychiatric hospital. Eastern region, they didn't have a befitting Eastern regional hospital. Akufo-Addo was building. And to Umpewea now per day. Akufo-Addo, His Excellency. History will be kind to you. We know you are a man. We know there are mistakes you've made. And that is the beauty of life. Nobody gets it 100%. But I want to let you know, using this platform, say, you will be greatly missed. You are a great leader. You are one whose heart pumps blood. And the blood that your heart pumps is the blood of Ghana. Because you have Ghana at heart. And we will forever miss you. And we are sorry as a people that we disappointed you by voting for NDC to come and reset this nation. But we are sure that not too long, actually 6 months, the people of Ghana will be calling back the elephant to come and rescue us. Because say reset there, Thank you for watching this episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, cheers. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.